All right, this was sent into the channel for review. It is electronics. It looks at the electrical signals inside automobiles. So it's an OBD2 scanner. Now, I've had a bunch of scanners in the past. This is the one that I'm currently using, a little Autel one. And it's great for reading codes or even resetting codes, but it won't do much beyond that. Whereas this is a full scanner. Now, in the past, I've looked at full scanners that can do live data and do actuations and control things, and they're always way, way, way too expensive. But I guess prices are coming down, so this thing's kind of in the $100 range. Yeah, it's a cute little device too. So first of all, it has no cable. All right, it is just the box. So it's Bluetooth to your device. So if you have an Android device or an iOS device, Apple device, they have programs for both of those. So yeah, so this is the OBD2 port, and I don't know if you've ever messed around trying to plug OBD connectors on. You can never find them. They're kind of tucked up under the dash, and it's dark down there. So they thought about that, and so there's a button on the side here, and it has a built-in flashlight, so you can find what the place you're going to plug it into. That was a really clever addition. I like that. And when you plug it in, there's a display on the front that actually tells you the voltage of your battery. Like this, like here it says 12.7. So yeah, so it gives you the state of the battery. And then when you turn the car on, you can see if your charging circuit's working, because you can just see the voltage go up. And then there's some status indicators on the bottom. There's whether power is on, whether Bluetooth is operational, and then whether you're making connections to your car or not, the CAN bus on your car. It does come with a card. Don't throw away this card. You're going to need this card, okay? It has on it your serial number and your activation code. So when you go download your program, you're going to have to sign up. I know everybody hates that, but you have to sign up. You put in your model number and the serial number and your activation code and your email address and those types of things, create a password, and then you're able to use their software. So I've got an iPhone 15, and so let's see, you can download the XTOOL. This instructions on how to do all of this, the XTOOL app. And yeah, there we go. So there is another step that you need to take when you get your app up and running. You need to go in settings and set your Bluetooth. Make sure that your Bluetooth is paired with a little dongle here, but that's the only thing you need to do. You can set your language here and everything. And then you're ready to go. You can plug this into your car, turn the key on, and then hit auto scan, and away you go. It will detect your VIN. You'll detect what type of car you have, what year it was, and it'll connect to it. You can hit the auto scan. It will do a complete scan of everything. Now, when I got the software downloaded into my phone, you also go here to updates, and mine had 100 updates waiting for me. Okay, and so that took about maybe 10 minutes to download all those updates. So, you know, BMW, Land Rover, Toyota, all of the car manufacturers, they have files for each one of those types of cars. So it handles all those cars, and then once the updates are done, you're ready to go. There's some special functions. Can you see this? Let's see here. Lots of things, your tire pressure, oil change, seat calibration, airbag reset, all kinds of stuff, window initialization. I had a problem on my Toyota where the windows got screwed up, and having a button for windows initialization is good. You can also do a funny it's you go up and down and you do a bunch of clicks on your thing, and you can reset your car. But this is probably an easier way to do that. But yeah, so we're going to have to go into a car and give this thing a go. I'm excited to look at the live data and things like that. Okay. All right, so we need to plug this in, and like I said, it's got this cool flashlight. So there's our thing. Plug it in, and it gives you the battery voltage, which is nice. I've got the car on right now. We've got the power indication here, and when you connect, you'll see the lights flash and stuff. That doesn't, they just flash. But there's our voltage. So let's turn on the application. All right, so applications here. I think we might be, let's see if the settings, see if our Bluetooth is connected. I think so. Let's see if we can do an auto scan. No, it says Bluetooth is not. Oh, there we go. All right, so I'm going to have to connect the Bluetooth in settings. There we go. Now we're connected. Should be good to go now. There we go. We'll do an auto scan. We have a Toyota. Do I have a smart key? I don't know. We'll say no. I've got one that goes in my pocket. Maybe I do. Automatic scan. There we go. That's pretty zippy. Air conditioner. Everything is on the, even the windows, the seat, anything in a car these days is on the CAN bus. It's ridiculous. Oh, we got a fault. I don't have a navigation system. I don't have a blind spot monitor. I don't have a slave blind spot monitor. Okay. So then we can go and look at things. Let's see here. We can see what it thinks here is wrong with the diagnostic here. Read the codes. Open in turn signal circuit. Interesting. History. I don't know, my turn signal seemed to work fine. Maybe it's just a code that got remembered somewhere. All right, let's go back. What I want to see is cool stuff like engine. Let's see, diagnostics, okay. I want to see live data. I've never been able to do this before on any of my other scanners. Let's see here, oh, engine speed. Okay, let's look at engine speed. Okay, here's the RPM. I'm gonna push the accelerator. Ooh, cool. And we can get a graph too. Oh, that's really good. I've never had anything that will do that before. All right. Let's see. Cruise control. Let's do some fun things. Let's see here. How about the air conditioner? Let's see here. Live data. Okay. Set temperatures. Room temperatures. Speed level of blower motor. I'm going to reach over and I'm going to slow it down. There we go. 8. 4. That's cool. Speed level of blower motor. Ambient temperatures. Look at all this stuff. Man. Holy crud. I mean, how do you learn how do you learn all this stuff? I guess you have to go to school these days. Back door, driver motor. Driver door motor. Is that for the window? I don't know, what's that do? Oh yeah, power window. Okay, let's put the power window. Live data. This is really dumb. Let's see here. Okay, so glass position. Okay, glass position here. Oh, something happened? I don't see anything doing it. I don't see it doing anything. Up down switch. Okay. Power driver to up down switch. Oh yeah. Did you see him change? Cool. Okay. Anyway, I think you get the idea. I'm no car expert. I just think it's really cool to be able to see everything. Exit to the automatics. Yes. System selection. Oh, there we go. We can look at all the different systems. So anyway, it looks like one of those real expensive units that you used to have to pay like $1,000 for. So like for $100, this thing's, I think, a good deal. Okay, well that was my review of the XTOOL A30M, M as in Mary, scan tool. It's going to come in handy. Like I said, my wife's car had the, she was having problems with the coils, and it would have been nice to have this to make a final determination on whether that was true or not.